broken dreams in my pocket. Golden thing round my neck like a locket.
Hello everyone, so welcome to the new trip to the Jirang monastery of this Gajapati district. So while you are going to the Jirang monastery, the road to the Jirang is the most best part of your journey. So while you go, you'll be seeing different mountains and you have to cross different mountains to reach the Jirang. So while you go to the mountains, the first place you'll be getting, that is the deer park and the Taptapani. So let's see the whole trip starting from the free oxygen. So the whole area is totally green and you'll be getting a fresh 100% oxygen out from the pollution free climate. So while you get free, you should surely travel to Jirang monastery via this Taptapani and also this deer park. Let's see the whole journey to the Jirang monastery in this vlog. Bye bye.
रोड सुंदर से रास्ता
The first place you are seeing beside the road is the deer park. So at first we'll be going to the deer park and we'll see all the deers, and the ostrich also is staying here. So because of COVID-19, we got to know that the deer park is closed. So we are just giving you an outside view of this whole deer park. So while you come, you should first visit this deer park.
So this whole area is the deer park near this Taptapani. We came from this Berhampur city and this is the deer park. The first picnic spot you will be seeing is the deer park of this Taptapani.
Now it's time to get the breakfast at the Taptapani Spring Resort. This resort is popular for its breakfast, lunch and dinner. So this resort is located in between two mountains. So this is the one mountain and that is the backside mountain. And this resort is located in top of a mountain. So it is you can see the whole mountain view and have a breakfast here. So after the breakfast, you can directly head up to the Taptapani hot spring. So one of the popular place of this, Berhampur city is the Taptapani hot spring, where many people from Berhampur they come here. This Taptapani hot spring is located on the top of a mountain. So let's go to the Taptapani hot spring and see all the temples inside the Taptapani hot spring. So after seeing the Taptapani, it's time to get the lunch at the most popular, dhaba of this Gajapati district, that is the Rajput Dhaba. So after the lunch, finally we have reached to the Jirang monastery. That building you can see, that is the Jirang monastery, that is located in between all mountains. So before going to the Jirang monastery and the Santi Stupa, at first we'll be going to the Kasra waterfall and have a look at the nature's waterfall from the hill point of view, and we'll be return back to this Jirang monastery. So at first, let's go to the Kasra waterfall. The journey to the Khasra waterfall, that is the best part of your journey. The whole area will be covered by the corn plants that has been planted by the Buddhists, and whole mountains will be everywhere. So we'll be seeing all the mountains and all the corn plants while you go.
So after you reach this place called Khasada, you will be getting a staircase to this, Lord Ramachandra, Lakshmana and Sita temple above that hilltop. And this is the whole, area where we will be going in some time. And that is the Khasada waterfall. And all these waters, they are going to, this, corn plants that have been planted by all the Buddhists. So this Jirang monastery, it is full around the mountains. So all that mountains, in between that mountain, that is the Jirang monastery. So at first, we'll go to this, Khasada waterfall. After that, we'll be going to the Jirang monastery. Let's see how the Khasada waterfall is. Chalo. Sri Ram hello guys, we have come to a new place. This is the Khasada Dam. Near the Jirang monastery, around 5 kilometers from the Jirang monastery. The place is full of Buddhists, and the corn, the staple food here is corn. And everyone here, they eat this corn. That is the popular food of India and also Nepal. So you can see this area. The whole, Khasada place. Water is falling. I can see here our Sudhanshu Bhai is taking the great bath here. So you can come here and take the bath at a winter season, summer season, and like which season? Yes, rainy season. Every time it will come. I can see. These are the mountains. So it's like a hillside pool. So you can enjoy that hill and you can have a bath here. You can see the hill. That is the hillside. And that is the temple of Sri, Ram, Lakshmana and Sita are staying here. So you can come here and take the darshan of Sri Ram and Lakshmana and Sita and have their blessings. And you can see this beautiful place. I can also see the place. And we have come here in this weekend, like Saturday, Sunday, we Sunday we come here. So this is the new place, Khasada Dam. You can see all the tourists from Berhampur and from Gajapati, they have come here. So it is one of the most popular place of, I can say, Odisha. And one of the most beautiful place of this whole Odisha. So when you get a free time, you come to this place, Jirang Monastery and Khasada. You will be liking the place for sure. Bye bye and see you in the Jirang Monastery. Chalo, bye bye. See this whole area where water is falling, and this water it is going to supply the corn plants that is planted by all the Buddhists over here. And you can see Sudhanshu Bhai who is taking the bath in this nature's pool, and there is a whole area that is a mountain side. We have reached this temple that is Padmasambhav Mahavira. You can see because of COVID-19, all this place is closed, so tourists are not inside, allowed to go inside. But we can see all this building from outside. You can see that whole palace, and in some time we'll be making a video about this whole palace. So we have come from this Berhampur city. So this temple, that is the most beautiful temple of all over India. So it is this place is called as Tibet of India. So all the people from like Nepal and Tibet, also from China, all the Buddhists, they come to this place doing their like for teaching purpose for this Buddhist, and they study here. Who are doing that in this like summer season, winter season, most people from that place they come here. And this people is mostly full of all the Buddhist people from all over the world. So this place is located at a place district of Odisha.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight.
So this is a sunset taking place near this Shanti Stup, and you can see the Buddhists, they are taking the walk in the evening time to the parikrama of this stupa in the name of Lord Buddha. You can see there are some of the Buddhist scriptures that are being put up here for the religious purpose of this Buddhist. The place is really beautiful, which is Jirang Monastery. The monastery is closed because of COVID-19. So I am making a tour of all this area, the Shanti Stup of this Jirang place. You have to come here in the evening time and also in the morning time. You can see this whole area. And that is the main gate from which we have to come here by this main gate. So yes, this one is a big area where you can go and you can rotate that place.
Been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
So finally we have reached the best place of this, Jirang monastery. So this is the, Shanti Stup, which is at the Chandragiri of this Gajapati district. So this whole, you can see this stup, Shanti Stup of the Buddhist place where the Buddhists come in the evening time and also in the morning time to pray Lord Buddha for the Buddham Saranam Gacchami, so that Lord Buddha can give them all the protections and remove all the depression and anxiety. So you can see all this place surrounded by all the mountains. You can see this is one mountain, this is second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth. So around 12 mountains are surrounded by this, Buddhist shrine. So you can see how beautiful the place is, and the whole place it is surrounded by different. You can give me the camera. So you can see the whole place surrounded by
Now
different.
I'm asking cameraman to show the view. This is our cameraman. He's working 24 hours throughout the day.
Yes, this is our cameraman, Dr. Pritish. You can see he has worked very hard to take the shots of this different place. You can see this is a, wish making. So everyone, Buddhists, they come here and they pray to Buddha and they have to rotate this thing. So it is one of the holiest, thing in like Buddhism. So you have to, rotate this one. You have to pray to Buddha to give, free from all the, lust, greed and anger, and towards, moksha. They pray for Lord Buddha. You can see the whole, beside area of this Buddhist area. These are the all carvings beside the temple. There are different lions. Yes, that was the big one. That place. This is the biggest one. Biggest wish making, rotation you can think. It's the biggest one. So this is the whole area in this, Shanti Stup.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.